What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning back into another Try It Yourself Sunday project where I take fashion that I no longer want and turn it into something more fabulous. So today I am taking a V-neck long sleeve shirt and I am turning this into a turtleneck. And I'm using black and white thread. You do not need to use the same colors. You could use whatever you want. It does not need to be perfect because this turtleneck will just be used as a work t-shirt underneath my work uniform. So what you want to do is take the thread and thread the bottom all the way to the top and you have a turtleneck. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. First thing is first, thank you so much for watching the hangout. And fashion and learning is so great because you all learned a new fashion update. You're welcome. But I am aware that I have my black thread showing. But as I mentioned, this is a work t-shirt that I will wear underneath my work uniform, so no one won't see the black thread. If you don't want the black thread showing, feel free to use all white thread. But thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the hangout and I'll see you all next week. Bye.